This is what happens when you use chicken wire to trellis your cucumbers. Hey everybody, it's Emily, and oops, we made a mistake. I just don't know what I was thinking. Yes, I know what we were thinking. We were thinking of, or I should say I was thinking of, I want to use the materials we already have on hand and not go out and buy something else. I was thinking that a vine might grow through the hole and then grow a computer. Yes, miracle plant in the garden, growing computers. Okay, let's get serious. I wasn't thinking that I would actually have cucumbers actually grow through a hole and get stuck. I'm going to have to cut that off with a knife. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is how not to build a cucumber trellis. Do not use a material for trellising that has small holes. You want holes that are at least as big around as the mature fruit is going to be. Chicken wire doesn't do it. How are we going to solve this problem? Pretty easy. And we'll still be using material that we already had on hand, right? A big principle of homesteading is try to reuse, repurpose, and repair things before you go out and buy new, right? So easy peasy. Either me or Jerry is going to take the wire cutters and cut a bunch of those wires to actually make bigger holes. But anyway. Live and learn. We'll know better next time. Thanks a lot for watching. If this video helped you at all, give it a thumbs up and share it. Or if it made you laugh, hey, you know. Anyway, subscribe to this channel if you haven't yet to follow my gardening journal or to get lots of simple and sustainable living tips. I hope to see you for the next video. In the meantime, take care and happy gardening, especially if you build your cucumber trellis correctly.